Act 1, Scene 1, Granny's Kitchen, take 72. Action. Granny, you're on. Granny, your mask. Take off your mask. You're safe.
Oh, yeah, right. Thank you for coming today and joining us on the first episode of Quarantine Cooking with Granny. Today, we will be making cranberry crisp. Since in the valley, this is our #1 fruit.
Granny, they don't grow that in the valley. It's apples. It's apple crisp.
Oh, okay, that's why there's apples. Well, welcome to making apple crisp with us today. Today, we will be making apple crisp. And so, for the ingredients, you're gonna need a 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of flour, those poor flowers, 1 cup of brown sugar, honey,
Granny, back to the ingredients.
Oh yeah, not karaoke time yet. You'll need 2 tisps of cinnamon, 1 tisp of lemon juice, a 1/2 cup of melted cow's butter. Where else does butter come from? No wonder it's called cows. It doesn't come from chickens. And you'll need some salt and 6 chopped, freshly cut Granny Smith apples. But yeah, these aren't Granny Smith apples. These are Macintoshes. I had the best teacher named Macintosh in grade 5. Oh yeah, right. From Gouchers, preferably.
Granny, you're on. You're on camera.
Oh yeah, right. Welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen with Granny. Oh yeah, I forgot the ingredients, but of course you'll need bowls and knives and measuring cups, and of course you'll need your hammer. But I can't work in this space. Well, that did the trick. Let's start peeling these apples here.
Granny, can you go faster?
Of course I can. All peeled and chopped. Kids, if you're having troubles, it's fine. Just ask your parents or your producers to help you. For me, I did it all by myself. But if you need troubles, that's fine. Okay, this is what you have to do next. Now, get rid of these apples. You don't need those for now. Well, don't throw them in the compost because you're going to need them for apple crisp. And now you're going to preheat your oven to, let me see here. Does that say 175 or, 350 degrees or 175 Fahrenheit, I believe. Now you have to grease your pan. I didn't really want to do it. So kids at home, just get your producers to do it. Is that my phone? Oh, well, we'll call her back. Hey, Linda. Oh, yeah, we're in the middle of our cooking lesson show called Quarantine Cooking with Granny. I'm going to have to call you back. But that's great that you got your quilt pattern
Granny, come on.
done.
Granny,
cup. Okay, almost got there. Make sure not to make a mess. When my kids made messes, man, as long as they cleaned them up, I was happy. But when it was all over everywhere, that wasn't exactly my most happiest moment. Pour your brown sugar in your bag. Now you're going to need 1 cup of flour. Make sure to be careful. Oh, wow, that was almost exactly a cup of flour. Now you're going to need your 1 cup of oats. Whoops, almost went overboard. And a bit more. Now, there we go. 1 cup of oats. And you're going to need ½ cup of butter, melted, of course. Pour that in. And in here, you can see I've got a spoon. With that spoon, you're going to go and you're going to try and mix it all that up. Okay. This is getting pretty hard. If you need any help, just ask your producers. Wait, you guys have producers at home? I don't remember anything anymore. Well, the recipe doesn't actually include salt, but you know what? To give it a little bit of flavor, I thought I'd put a little bit in. If you want to, you can experiment at home. Add a little bit of salt, just a little pinch. There we go. Okay, I think I might need a pinch more salt. Okay, so let's just give a little bit. Oh, okay. And
Oh, Granny, that's a lot of salt.
what? Oh, kids actually don't put any salt in here. But we like our apple crisp salty here. On to the next scene, please. And we're back. After you've finished covering up your salt mistake here, you're going to add roughly half of this mix. Oh yeah, right, you have to butter your pan first, sorry. Well, you have to add roughly half of this grain mix you just finished into this pan that's safe for the oven. And maybe one bit more, a little bit more. And a little bit more, you know. There we go. Should be good. 4th for good luck, you know. So, that's roughly half. Now, you've got to add all your apples in between here and now this is the real juicy part. It might seem dry at first, but this is when the apples are going to give us some juice. Have you ever had apple juice? It's good. Try it. Now, almost finished. Just roughly make sure it's kind of even. That's why you're making thin slices. Sorry, I couldn't talk there for a second. I think I forgot my braces. No, I'm joking. I don't have braces. I'm too old for that, sweetie. Now, you're there. You have to try and make sure it's flat enough. Now you're going to add the rest of the mixture in. Make sure you don't get your hair in there. And add the rest of the mixture here. You're not finished yet. So make sure it looks kind of like another layer. That's why save a bit more for the top than on bottom. And let's fast forward. Did somebody say popcorn, or was that just my hearing aid? They did say popcorn.
Granny, that's not popcorn.
Yeah, this isn't popcorn. But it tastes pretty good, though.
You gotta finish your recipe.
Oh, yeah, right. So, for the next part, you're gonna need half a cup of sugar. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Now, add that in. Oh, shall I say white sugar? Add it in. There we go. It's good enough. Add it in a bowl of yours. Doesn't have to be gigantic. Just has to be pretty good. Now, add a tisp of cinnamon, whatever that means. I don't know.
Teaspoon, Granny.
Oh, I love tea. Can we put tea on later on?
Oh, sure.
Ooh, yum. Have to make sure that comes off. There we go. And grab a teaspoon. I like to grab it right out of the bag. That should be good. And now we have to start mixing. With the cinnamon. I love cinnamon. Have to mix till it looks like sand. But make sure not to eat it, even if it does look like sand. It's actually just sugar and cinnamon. It's not sand. And now we're done.
No, you're not.
Oh! Oh, yeah, right. You have to put it on, sprinkle it on in the bowl. Add a little bit of sugar and cinnamon, of course. Yeah. This is a lot of sugar, but you'll be only getting a little bit of it every once in a while. So that's okay. And now that you're probably pretty evenly spread, now you have to put it in the oven.
Yay.
Let's put it in here. Make sure, kids, if your parents are at home, make sure not to be doing this. If your parents aren't home, you shouldn't be home either. Well, make sure to be very careful around the oven. It can burn you, and you don't want to be burnt. There we go. And now, we'll close this up and make sure you went to school on Fire Safety Day so you know what you need to do. I believe it's run, jump, and stop if the fire ever starts. Okay. Oh yeah, you need to stop, drop, and roll. But I can't really do that. So. Anyway, next cut, please. I'm so good at this!
And now we transition to downward dog.
No way, I'm not doing that. My back can't handle it. Ah! Take that, Bowser! Oh no, Mario, don't get in my way. No, no, no! Now for this art show, you're gonna be needing a blank canvas and a pencil or marker. Uncap your marker and start your work. This is gonna be a quick one. Okay, you need to get the details. Keep on going. Okay, a person's face. And a heart. Don't forget to add your initials in the bottom. Okay, now details. Finish. We got it. Okay. Here we go. Finished product. Hopefully you can keep along. Okay, almost got the last one. Oh, you little stinker! I almost had the world record!
About that.
Granny, use your manners.
Oh, please get off my yard, you hooligan! Get back here! Let me teach you a lesson! Man, that was very tiring exercise for me. Not sure if I can handle that.
Granny, we got a show to do.
Oh, you know what time is it? It's eating time. Get those puppies out. Enough conversation. We're eating soon. Ah, my toe! Ow! Ah, leave me here. Show must go on. Ooh, look at what yummy apple crisp. Make sure to stand by 5 to 10 minutes before eating, and make sure to eat with yummy ice cream. Man, well, that is some apple crisp.
Granny, thank the sponsor.
Smells very good. Oh yeah. Well, thank you to our sponsor tonight. Who's our sponsor?
We don't have a sponsor.
Oh, what? Okay.
Say goodnight to the kind folks.
Good night, kind folks, and come back next week for Quarantine Cooking with Granny.